Hi, this is Simon. In this video I'm going to be looking at Superitron-Mini Skystrike, which is of course Zeta's scaled down masterpiece air raid. Here is the box. Some nice block product shots. We have schematics, we have product shots, we have schematics, and we're back to the start. Again, it's quite a nice, it feels like a nice quality box. Some boxes we get, you know, a bit on the flimsy side, but this is nice. Let me just let's have a look. I've got a post. So yeah, so this is it's definitely the tough card. Right, opening it up, we have ourselves some instructions, and again the blessed foam. Love our foam. And he is also packed in vehicular mode. Oh. 2 guns in molded plastic. And how best to see him. Yeah, I definitely need to WD-40 this chair. He looks nice. Should he not have some stuff on his wings? I cannot remember. 1 minute. Okay, so I've looked. It turns out sometimes he has the stuff on the rear and sometimes he doesn't. So I'm guessing they just went with not because it's easier. Again, the weapons plug in. We fake wheels there, but real cockpit, and it's got a nice silver lining as well. Yeah, it's quite lovely. And unlike on Skydive, no visible balls from the top. They're underneath and they're painted, which I think is a bit better. This feels like it could be. So these feel like a little loose, but nothing, you know, not tragically so. And yeah, it's nice. Let us bring in Bumblebee, Hoist. Yeah, it's all right, isn't it? It's well, not so much the Hoist, but Bumblebee works nicely. And boom, Starscream again. So yeah. Starscream's a fraction bigger. I think that's supposed to be the same jet, but it's... Oh, excuse me. It is passable. It works. It's nice. I like it. Yeah, what more can I say? I just like it when there's a decent figure and it works. And I've got the Masterpiece scale Zeta ones, and I like them. So... this was a no-brainer for me. I think that is it for the vehicular mode. I'm going to get him transformed, and let's take a look at him in robot mode. I'll be back. And here he is in robot mode, and yeah, again, very cool. These bits are quite loose. So I've had to bend the knees a little bit, because if he just stands there, he will, after a time, start to sink. Not much strength in the bit that keeps the thighs out at all. He's not going to do it now, is it? And again, hollow forearms. But the head works a little bit better than... Let's bring in Skydive. They look pretty sweet together, if I'm going to be honest. And up to Mars. So yeah, it all works, all very nicely. Yeah. Look. it's, yeah, the leg's definitely a little bit on the loose side, but the poseability is still all here. Look at that, full cuddle, can hold his guns. The hollow forearms are more noticeable in white. In black, it's kind of passable, but in white, really stands out. So yeah, not great. He does stand up. I just keep knocking him over. He can stand up perfectly fine. Like this acts as like a heel spur. I just keep knocking him. He has all the waist, and of course the spring. Well, let's say the spring loaded. It's the not quite spring loaded sides that do come out, which is pretty cool. Yeah, he's good, really good. And I think, good is all I can really say about him. And I'm comfortable with saying good. He's a good figure. I like him. I recommend him for your collection. If you can get him, go forth. Because you know what figures are like nowadays. If you're on the fence, get him. Basically. Because it's like when you're on the... I mean, how many figures have I... If you think back, how many figures have you lost? Because you're on the fence and then you decided, oh, I want him. Denied. That happens to me all the time. Yeah. So I gave him an 8, didn't I? So probably, yeah. I'm going to give him 7.5 just because the forearms are more noticeable. And the that other, you see, I didn't put much pressure on at all and he went in. Whereas he doesn't. But yeah. Shaping up very, very nicely. I need them to wait a month because I've secured alternative employment, but I might miss a month's pay. But that is it from me. Thank you very much. Bye.
Fingers on plastic.